speaking for an EventX virtual platform webinar session? Let us guide you through how to sign up for an EventX account as a speaker. Just a reminder, to have the best webinar experience and avoid audio issues, we highly recommend using headphones or headset with an external mic when joining or speaking for a webinar session. When given the role of a speaker, the organizer will send you a speaker invite email. When opened, you will find an action button, which you can click for you to start your sign up. The instruction guide can also be seen in the email. Once you click the Activate Role and Sign Up or Login button, you will be directed to the event site and sign up page. Sign up for an account. Make sure to use your invited-only email and not a different email in signing up. After signing up, you would be asked to fill a registration form in some case. Completely fill out the form with your details and click Register. You are now logged in to your EventX account. The page would show you all the upcoming events you will be joining. It also indicates if you have a role to play, such as speaker. Your account can be used as a speaker or just an attendee. Speaker joining a rehearsal on EventX Webinar live streaming tool. To ensure everything works smoothly before the webinar session, conducting a rehearsal is a good way to do a dry run. For speakers joining the rehearsal, the speaker needs to be logged in using the same email that was used to sign up as a speaker to join the rehearsal. The host will send you a rehearsal link. Click or go to the link. You will then be directed to the rehearsal room. When you are in rehearsal mode, the chat room, session recording, and session replays are disabled. During rehearsal, speakers may test screen share, PDF file share, emojis, video, and audio. The sidebar also gives suggestions and information on the uses of each feature. It is highly recommended to use the exact device and settings you will be using on the event date to check possible issues that could occur. You can also check your computer and browser settings for mic and camera to enable audio and video. Presenting during a live webinar session on EventX Webinar live streaming tool. When joining a webinar session as a speaker, you would need to log in to the event using the same email address invited as a speaker. You can access the backstage in two ways: on your account welcome page and under event schedule page. You will see the button Go to Backstage when assigned as a speaker. You will be directed in the backstage. As a speaker, you have access to mute or unmute your mic, turn on or off your own video, share a PDF file, share your screen, send reactions using the emojis, and check video and audio setup. When clicked, will show you settings for mic and video. You can also toggle on or off Mirror My Video. You may reply, interact, or send a message to the group even when you are the speaker. Speakers also have the access to accept or decline a question from attendees. When a question is accepted, then it will be shown under Q&A questions. Speaker can also send in Q&A question that could be directed to other speakers, host, or co-host. Speakers are able to create their own poll during webinar sessions. They can also delete a poll they have created. Speakers have the access to accept or reject an attendee who used the raise hand function, to join a discussion, or to answer a question during a webinar session. Only one participant can be accepted at a time. Speakers also have access to use the third-party integration during the webinar sessions, which includes Google Docs sharing, Kahoot, and Kudo. This is how you sign up as a speaker, join a rehearsal, and present as a speaker during an event that only uses the EventX live streaming tool.